Hi guys, I am in our living room or family room, and the intention here is to flip the room. So now the TV is on this side, but what I want my hubby to do is to help me to take the TV over this side, and then we can actually move the sectional from where it is and put it across where the TV is and down this side. And the intention here is just to open up the space because this couch is pretty big. However, because there's such a small space in here, it feels a bit cramped when the family of four of us are supposed to sit there. Moreover, I feel like when I'm sitting right here, this big TV is too much in my face. It's big enough so that we can sit across the room here and have the couch over there, and I think that will give us a better experience. Okay, I may be capturing some of the move. However, when we're done everything, I will let you guys see what we did, and then you can give me your opinions, right? So I'm gonna get the boys so we can get started. Check that out, friends. I did not buy, but I did not bring a tripod out here with me. I'm gonna rest my phone right here to see if I can capture my do. There we go. Okay, let's see if this is any match for it. This girl doesn't give up easily. If you've been here for a while, you will know that I find a way to do things, right? That's what you have to do when you want to get something done. Can't sit around and mope or wait for somebody else to do it. It's going through all right. It's done. It's done. Okay. Wow. It's not a bad Christmas tree at all. Wow, it looks pretty balanced. So it's gonna be too wide for the space because I want to put it in the living room, but I'm just gonna go ahead and clip off some of the ends. Yeah, I came out for a Christmas tree and I am happy I got a Christmas tree. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and come along with us on this Canadian country journey for the rest of 2024 into 2025. Please like, leave a comment, and share. Have yourselves a Merry Christmas. Bless you all. Peace and love to you. See you soon.